How to delete OKX account. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, start by opening up your OKX application and click on these 6 dots on the top left of your screen, and then you're gonna need to click on your profile again. After that, click on security just like so, and then you're gonna need to scroll all the way down until you see close account option. So simply click there, and you have two options: continue to close or freeze instead. Now you're just gonna need to select any reason, and then you can also go with the other reason. So I will simply go with this and click on continue, and then learn from our tutorials. We have tutorials at OKX Learn that can guide you through crypto basics, or you can simply click on this continue to close. Now you're just gonna need to click on the I understand just like this, and then again this is going to take 3 seconds, and again you just need to click on I understand, and again last one, which is your orders. Make sure to read all of these steps and make sure to follow each and every one of them, and then click on the continue, and then maybe you just need to enter your passcode and you're good to go. So that's the way of how you can delete your OKX account permanently.